Hey everyone, welcome back. A sneak peek of a new upcoming Matchbox truck series. So our first car is a 1995 Nissan hardbody D21. A 1957 GMC stepside. A 1977 Ford Courier truck. A 1968 Dodge D200. And a Chevrolet Silverado 4x4. Now let's check out some sneak peeks of a new upcoming cars by Matchbox from various lines. So check out the sneak peek of these cars. Now let's check out some new models by Mini GT. The estimated time of arrival is between March and May 2025. So our first car is a McLaren 720S LB Works. Color of a car purple. A BMW 3.0 CSL. Color of a car white. A McLaren F1 GTR #59. Color of a car 1995 Le Mans 24 Hours winner, post-race weathered. A Hyundai i20 and Rallye 1 hybrid #11. Color of a car 2024 Rallye Monte-Carlo winner. A Porsche 911 GT3R #80. Color of a car AO Racing 2023 IMSA Virginia Roxy. A Toyota GR86 LB Nation. Color of a car baby blue. The estimated time of arrival is between March and May 2025. Now let's check out 4 new upcoming models by Mini GT. Now let's check out a complete highlights of a new upcoming cars by Mini GT X Kaido House, which was showcased at Los Angeles. So check out the sneak peek of this complete lineups. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Please make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to all notifications. And also don't forget to hit the like button. See you next time.